I want to talk about market sentiment. Reading the room, it would appear that most investors are gone. With Bitcoin being at, what is it? Just shy of 90K right now. You would think Bitcoin's at like 5K. And that's telling me a few things about this market right now that you can't really read in the charts. Stayer, I'm not going and I'm never going to go. Listen, I want to talk about the sentiment in crypto right now. It's bottom basement levels. It's never been this bad since near the beginning of crypto, when everybody was speculative about it. And what that is telling me is that there's massive opportunity in this market. And as you look, the only people that are here are bears, really. Folks that want this market to go to zero and they want to make money all the way down. And you got that, and then you got these liquidations that are piling up above 100K for shorts. The heat map on Glassnode, if you go look at it, it's crazy. It's just bubbling with liquidations above 100K. And Bitcoin is inching up. It's looking like a short squeeze. And yet, the bears in this market are still giddy. They're not, they just feel like, no way, this thing is going down regardless. And that's telling me that the opposite's probably going to happen. We're probably going to hit 100K, probably a little bit further, and market makers are going to knock out these shorts. It's just what they do. And from there, the market has a decision to make. Do we keep going and totally reverse and go to new highs on Bitcoin and continue this bull run? Or do we confirm a bear market and go straight down again from 100K to past 82? I think the lowest we'll go is probably, honestly, 69 is probably my lowest point on this. If there's to be a bear cycle, I think this is going to be the quickest bear market of all time. We may have already had the quickest bear market of all time. There's a huge fly in here, but I'll get it later. There's always seems to be a fly around Stayer. It's not, no, don't. But, so what am I looking at in terms of sentiment? Well, YouTube viewership for crypto has been at an all-time low. Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it, KOLs on there are just negative. They're complaining, they're whining. There's talks of a lot of them that are just absolutely broke. And so you have that. And then you have the institutions that are kind of have their 1 foot in and 1 foot out on crypto right now. I mean, with MicroStrategies, there's a lot of fear that that Michael Saylor's going to get liquidated. Tom Lee is pushing out his projections on Ethereum, going to 15,000. Now he's saying maybe next year. And so, I mean, that's kind of telling me that most likely that this market will probably go violently up and to the right, and no one's going to be here to witness it except for the hardcore investors. And what I'm trying to do is be as out of the market as I possibly can while also being in. And let me explain that. I'm mostly in stables, but I am inching in on my favorite altcoins. I'm being very speculative on this Monad thing, and I'm going to do a couple videos on Monad, this new layer one EVM chain that, is compatible with Ethereum and Base. That is very interesting to me because I feel like the next big wave of altcoins and meme coins is going to come from an unexpected place. It's not going to come from the same place it always has. I don't think Solana is going to lead this one. I don't think, I mean, hopefully Sui does because I'm invested in Sui still. But I just feel like it's going to come from an unexpected place. And again, Sui hasn't led any meme coin bull runs yet, so it could come from Sui. But it's going to come from an unexpected place. And I'm just keeping an open mind. I am keeping my ear to the ground. I am not leaving this market because I want to have a pulse on this market every single day. But what is also required for me to be here every single day is to keep a level head, not overreact to whatever happens, and just document and verify and move forward. Keep my theses, my one thesis that is that we probably will go up from here, and everything that's entailed in that. Maybe I'll talk about that in another video more in depth, but it's just to keep a level head and not overreact. And so, yeah. So, I mean, I has have my conviction plays. My one meme coin play is Charlie right now. I am on a speculative monad play that I haven't really made public yet. And I'm in some altcoins that have to do with DeFi and AI, and so that's pretty much it. So I think the easiest thing to do right now, if you're still trying to be in this market, is not to over expose yourself to this market. At the same time you want to be present, if that makes sense. So you can be present without going crazy, all right, and overexposing yourself, all right, because if things change, you don't want to be overexposed, okay. But if things go up, you want to still make some money, right? You want to reward yourself for being here. So I don't have an actual percentage of my exposure into this market, but it's under 50% in terms of my crypto holdings. I am majority in stables, USDC, and Tether. So, and I'm not trading that much at all either. I'm not trying to short right now. I'm not trying to go long right now. I'm just trying to wait and see if I can catch a pattern in this market. But the sentiment right now overall is telling me that I'm in the right place. I'm here when no one else is here. And if you're here right now watching me and interested in crypto, you are also not only a degen, but if you're under control with your holdings, then you're a very smart person. Because I don't think this market is done giving out mega multiples on your money. It's just, this is a complex market, very volatile, and been here since 2016. I haven't made nearly as much money as I want to, but I had a great total in this market, but I've had a great year, mostly in meme coins, and there's not much going on right now with that, but there will be. And so just keep your ear to the ground, keep your head up, and just keep watching me. But I'll be going live this evening like I do every time. Stayer is out.